Yeah, they're making something out there. Hello everyone, welcome to a corner farming in the Philippines. We're going down to the Department of Agriculture we're still trying to follow up on getting the permit to take down the coconut trees. We've been told by different people that we should, well, the Barangay told us to come to the DA first, and then other people have told us we're supposed to go to the DNR. So we're coming here first to find out where we got to go and what we got to do. I'm not liking that Ubay thing. What are they saying about Ubay?
No, we're going to get the permit from the PCA, Philippine Coconut Authority. Philippine Coconut Authority. We're going to get a permit from them.
So where's that?
It's in Ubay, where we went before. I don't know. She's going to call some.
Okay.
What's the requirements? What's the requirements?
All right, well, Martha's got a phone number of someone to call. I think that's some kind of progress. So you gonna call him? Later after what?
I'm not saying outside.
Oh, okay. All right, so Marcel called this lady. I guess, what's the name of the
PCE in Tagbilaran,
PCE,
Provincial Office.
Philippines Coconut Authority?
Yeah.
So, the office is in Tagbilaran. That's the only place we can do it. So, at some point we've got to go to Tagbilaran and go to their main office. We have to bring a Xerox copy of the title, pictures of the coconut trees,
and my ID.
And her ID, and Marcel's ID. All to take down some coconut trees. They're pretty proud of their coconut trees in the Philippines. So we're not going to make a special trip down there to do that, but next time we get down to Tagbilaran, that'll be one of the things on the list.
Yeah.
Thank you, everyone. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.